Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Artspace AI. In order to do so, here we are at artspace.ai, and once you get here, you should be met with a screen similar to this. Here you can see that you have the option to start your 7-day free trial, and also there is a button here that says Get Artspace. Let's go ahead and start by claiming our 7-day free trial. Click on that there. And here we have our different subscriptions. We've got the Rookie Rocket starter plan. We've got the Studio starter plan and the Pixel Pioneer starter plan. And it looks like this is $3.99 USD, $5.99, and $9.99. So that gives you an idea of what it is that you'll be getting yourself into. The base subscription is 250 high quality images each month, 500 for the starter plan, and 1,000 for the Pixel Pioneer. We also have the Power Plan Design Dreamer for $20 a month, and that you can create 2,500 images. There's also the Elite Illustrator, where you can create unlimited for $50 a month. And you can start a 7-day free trial for any of these plans. So that's good to know. Let's go ahead and click on Get Artspace now. I'm just curious to see where that's going to take us. And let's see here. So that just brings us back here to our 7-day free trial page. So let's go ahead and we're going to try out just the Rookie Rocket here. We're going to start our 7-day free trial, and we have to create an account in order to proceed. So let's go ahead and just do that here very quickly, and we'll proceed from there. Okay, so once we go through the steps of setting up our account, it is going to bring you to this page here where you are going to need to enter in your card information in order to start your free trial and begin to use Artspace AI. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.